Welcome to Ripples of Affirmations, where the journey to abundance begins with gratitude. In the next 6 minutes, immerse yourself in a cascade of positive affirmations designed to attract abundance into your life this year. Stay with us until the end, and let the waves of gratitude transform your mindset. Your journey to abundance starts now. Find a quiet space and take a moment to center yourself. Breathe in deeply, allowing the affirmations to resonate within. As each affirmation is spoken, visualize abundance flowing effortlessly into your life. Feel the gratitude in your heart. Embrace the positive energy these affirmations create. Let go of any doubts and open yourself to the limitless possibilities ahead. As the session concludes, carry this newfound gratitude with you, attracting abundance in every aspect of your life. Affirmations. I am grateful for the abundance that flows into my life with every breath I take. In gratitude, I attract prosperity, wealth, and success into my experience. I am a magnet for abundance, and it naturally gravitates toward me. With gratitude, I welcome the financial prosperity that aligns with my highest good. I appreciate the abundance that surrounds me, both seen and unseen. As I express gratitude, I open the doors to unlimited possibilities and opportunities. I am thankful for the abundance that manifests effortlessly in my career and endeavors. With a grateful heart, I attract abundant relationships and connections into my life. Every moment is an opportunity to invite abundance, and I am thankful for each one. I am a vessel of gratitude, attracting abundance in health, wealth, and happiness. With appreciation, I recognize the abundance that exists within me and around me. I am thankful for the blessings of the past, present, and those that await me in the future. As I express gratitude, I create a harmonious relationship with the abundance of the universe. With every step, I walk the path of abundance, surrounded by prosperity and success. I am grateful for the abundance that flows through my thoughts, words, and actions. In gratitude, I acknowledge the abundance of love and joy that enriches my life. With a thankful heart, I attract abundant opportunities for personal and spiritual growth. I am open to receiving the abundance that the universe has in store for me. Gratitude is the key that unlocks the door to my abundance, and I am thankful for this insight. I am a beacon of gratitude, radiating positive energy that attracts boundless abundance. With every expression of thanks, I align myself with the prosperity that is destined for me. I am thankful for the financial abundance that allows me to live a fulfilling and prosperous life. In gratitude, I release any scarcity mindset and welcome the abundance that is rightfully mine. I am a co-creator of my reality, and I choose to manifest abundance through the power of gratitude. With appreciation, I celebrate the richness of my life, attracting more prosperity into every area. I am grateful for the abundance of opportunities that present themselves to me daily. With a heart full of thanks, I attract abundance in perfect alignment with my goals and desires. I am thankful for the wealth of talents, skills, and potential within me waiting to be realized. In gratitude, I acknowledge the abundance of good health and vitality that sustains me. I am a magnet for positive experiences, and I attract abundant moments of joy and fulfillment. With every expression of gratitude, I create a ripple effect that attracts even more abundance. I am thankful for the abundance of time and resources that support the realization of my dreams. As I express gratitude, I am in perfect alignment with the energy of abundance that surrounds me. I am a grateful participant in the dance of abundance, and I welcome its abundance into my life. With appreciation, I affirm that abundance is my birthright, and I am ready to receive it with open arms. I am grateful for the universal flow of abundance that is always available to me. In gratitude, I release any resistance to abundance and allow it to flow effortlessly into my life. I am thankful for the blessings that come from living a life of abundance and fulfillment. With every word of thanks, I amplify the vibration of abundance, attracting more of it into my reality. I am a grateful creator of my destiny, and I invite the abundance of this year to unfold beautifully. Thank you for joining us in this transformative session of gratitude affirmations. If you found these affirmations uplifting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow Ripples of Affirmations on YouTube for more empowering content. Share this video with those who seek abundance and positivity. Until next time, take care.